In this video, we will be discussing about empty set and equal set. A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set, otherwise known as a null set. An empty set is denoted by this symbol. It have open curly brace and closing curly brace. And inside of the set, we don't have any element. Or we can denote it using this symbol, a circle with a line through it. Let's see some examples of empty set. Let A is the set of all x such that x squared is equal to 4 and x is odd. We know that if x squared is equal to 4, x is either minus 2 or 2. Both minus 2 and 2 are not odd. Therefore, the set A is an empty set. Let B be set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers and 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We know that set of natural numbers contain 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 3x is minus 2, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is not a natural number. Minus 2 by 3 does not belong to set of natural numbers. Therefore, B is a null set. Let's see one more example. Let C be set of all x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Therefore, the set C is an empty set. Next, let's discuss about equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements. If two sets A and B are equal, we can denote it as A equal to B. If they are unequal, we can denote it like this. Consider the set A and B. A contains the number 4, 5, 6, 7 and B contains 6, 7, 4, 5. Set A and B contain same elements, therefore they are equal sets. Let's see some other example. Let B be set of all x such that x is positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. Set A contains the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Since B contains positive integers less than or equal to 10, the integers in B are 2, 4, 6, 10 and 8. The integers in A are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the integers in B are also same. Therefore, A and B are equal sets.